Hey guys, it's Carly. Today I'm going to be showing you guys one of my slimes and how to fix it. So what is wrong with this slime is every time I touch it, so I take it out. Okay, let me take that out so you can see it. So it's like it's wet and there's like water in it. And I've had this a few times, and it just makes it jiggly. Make it like jiggly when you don't want jiggly slime. You just want whatever slime you have. You don't want like jiggle to it or anything. So how to fix that is to first take it out and then you dump the water out of your bowl. And basically that's what I'm doing right here. And some slide ASMR, you know. So, oh, I'm so saying. There we go. And make a bubble pops and air bubbles into your slide. You might think this does nothing, but it does do something. And then you grab some lotion. Okay, this is it. Almost gone. You only need time to get well now. And if you were wondering what I'm using, I am using Natural Smooth Shave Minimize Monitoring. And by the way, it looks like that. You only need the top of it. And especially because this lotion won't sit like fast, so yeah, don't add too much lotion or it will start getting sticky. So after you add in your lotion, you just want to mix it in. So make some air bubbles with that. And so what the lotion does, it does make it softer, but it makes it like a butter slime, but so that the water doesn't come out. But if you don't know how to make slime, this is just a fixing of slime. So if you don't know how to make it, don't worry. Okay, so don't worry if the lotion like makes your slime runny or anything, because lotion will, and you can just add some more activator and it might make it sticky. So don't worry if you don't know how to make slime, because in my next video I am, and if you like maybe not my next one, but the next one after that, maybe next one, but if not, then the after one after I am going to. So yeah.